Okay, this is an Advantage Arms 22 conversion. This is the commander length, and this is a Colt metal form, I guess, Colt magazine that came with the 1970s era Colt Conversion Unit, loaded with dummy action proving rounds. Locks in fine. Even locks the slide open. So I find that very interesting. Okay, this is the Colt Conversion Unit and an Advantage Arms polymer magazine, and the magazine will not seat with the slide closed. The slide open, it will seat, however it won't feed properly. It won't the slide won't close with the magazine in. If I remove the magazine, it will allow the the slide to close. So, and then it feeds like every other one.
Ow.
So, they are not interchangeable. However, the Colt mags will work in, or the metal form mag that I have at least, the Colt metal form mags will work with the Advantage Arms conversion, but not vice versa. Okay, this is the Colt Conversion Unit 22 with the Colt magazine, just to show that it works. Locks in.
Ow. Stop that.
So that works perfectly, locks the slide back. So hopefully it will work when we use real ammo. We'll go see you next week.